your day with Simonalisa.
Good morning, angels. So we got another market today, one that I planned with Leo. Let me show you guys my outfit. Also, if I sound like I'm being quiet, it's because I am. I'm letting my dad sleep a little bit more before he has to drive me. So grateful for my family and all the support. Like, you guys, they help me like set up every time. But here's the outfit. I picked it last night because I don't like waking up early and my brain doesn't work in the morning. And thank God it's one of those outfits that like worked not only in my head but also in execution. Because sometimes I'll think of an outfit, put it on, and I'm like, how can it be this bad? Like, it was so good in my head. You know, it's like men. They're good in your head, but in execution, they're not really. Except for my boyfriend, love him. He's like that 1% that's actually sweet and kind, and I'm like, where did you come from? I loaded everything into the car last night. I actually did it myself, so I'm really proud. I lugged the heavy clothes, the bins and everything to my car. And I packed my purse last night. It's real full. I brought blankets for everyone so we can all sit somewhere, you know, for all the vendors, so we can be all comfy and cozy. And I'm also gonna pack food for everyone. I got everyone a coconut water, and if someone doesn't like coconut water, I'll drink it for them. So yeah, and I got other little snacks. I feel like a mom, but like a mom who's failing, because I feel like the cooler setup is not really the greatest, cutest, but yeah, it's okay. It's okay. What more can you expect from me? Why was this $3? This was $8. I wish I got the big one from Costco, but I didn't think of it early enough this week to do this. But brownies, the box is half full. Like during manufacturing, did they eat half the box before packing it, or is it shrinkflation? Jesus Christ, we're all gonna be starving. This is what I mean. I'm a failing mom. Like, I did not pack enough for everyone. Mini charcuterie. Like, I don't know. Am I too hard on myself? I'm not a suburban mom, okay? So, can't be expecting that from me. This is where I killed it. Refreshments for everyone. The best of the best. Actually, it's not the number one coconut water. I wouldn't say. Maybe number 2. If you guys know, Casablanca is my favorite. Oh, the hair. It's frizzy. Leo's motivating me to vlog because yesterday at our market, was it yesterday? No, 2 days ago, I was not vlogging enough. I did an intro and did like nothing else. Anyways, we got our stuff right here. We're bringing them over there. Look at Leo vlogging. Oh, what a cutie. But yeah, we look like little sluts. We're matching in our skirts. I'll show you guys my outfit now that we're in nature. Do you want to give them an OOTD? Wait, I love OOTDs. People want an OOTD. I'm obsessed.
Oh, thank you. Hold on, let me.
You need to be at a festival right now, honestly.
Okay, so, my skirt is hers. She's a small designer in Toronto. My boots I got for $20 in Toronto. This is a baby fat shirt that I actually was selling, but I'm keeping for myself. Good. My juicy bag. And then obviously
I love the clip with the shirt and the boots.
Yeah. Oh, and then I have a Playboy necklace on, and then a bunch of rings.
I love that it's so long.
And bangles. And yeah.
You're such a fashionista. I love this outfit.
Thank you.
Okay, let's sit up. I'll do a little time lapse. You guys saw my outfit already.
Exactly. I am gagged.
And you got
It's
the
not
perfect
clocking
color.
to you that I'm standing on business.
Oh wait, there's more in there?
Yeah, he has a whole hat.
Like an outfit?
Like a hat and a necklace.
Oh my god.
Wait, this is so cute.
That thing's like a little fashionista.
I know.
Oh my god.
Like us.
He's so beautiful.
So cute.
Yes, I'm gonna do a whole compilation of it.
Perfect.
Can you like Disney me cam me?
Oh, wait, let me know how the
Yes. Her. Who's gonna hit the Disney is next? I'm not gonna get it. I'm not. Hit the, like you're on stage and yes, you got it. Perfect. Oh my god, and you got the Guys, this is what the aftermath looks like of sweating all day. Lip combo is off. You're looking a little bit like a mess right now. Oh. Anyway, the market recap. It went well. I'm actually really happy. It was so much fun. I actually can't believe that we were just all hanging out, having so much fun, and we were making money. We got to meet so many amazing people, of course. It's always so fun to just chill, sell clothes. On the car ride home, it was really just hitting me like, wait, that went really well. And I would have made less money if I spent that time working at my old job at like McDonald's. Like, what? I was having fun the whole time. What do you mean? So, like, I would have made way more money. Like, wait, no, I'm wording it wrong. I made way more money than I would have if I worked a 8-hour, 7-hour, whatever shift at McDonald's. Like, wow, I don't know. It really just made me realize, like, oh my god, I can do something really fun that I love and make more money. It's just very, like, when these things happen, I don't know. You guys, I don't think you understand how me and Leo, how our strengths are, like, and how we work together is perfect. Like, throughout this whole, planning the market, everything just happened like this. Like, everything was just coming to us so easily. The name for the market, how we wanted to set up this, that, when, blah, 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 blah. Like, it felt like everything was just so, like, it just flowed so nicely. Like, it really didn't feel, like, difficult, or, like, it's not like we were having challenges where we were like, oh my god, I really don't know what we should do about this. Thank you, Leo, for organizing this with me. Everyone who stopped by, everyone, you were all sweethearts. Like, everyone who's just a part of this, I love you all, and it was so amazing, and I'm so happy about it. So I don't know what this video is really gonna look like. I'm kind of shit at getting the clips I need. I don't know. So yeah, anyways, thank you so much for watching, and make sure to leave some glitter everywhere you go. Mwah. I didn't do the hard thing this time. Whatever.